Adaptive sports are competitive and a lot of fun. I love the team atmosphere.
Over Memorial Day weekend, more than 100 wheelchair softball players from all over the state will gather right here in Pasadena for the 9th annual Wheelchair Wind-Up Softball Tournament. Wheelchair Wind-Up is an inclusive tournament for athletes with and without disabilities. Teams register, we laugh, we sweat, we have fun all day out in the sun.
Wheelchair Wind-Up is free and open to the public. Come on out to watch and learn more about adaptive sports in the Pasadena-Houston area.
Come join us this Memorial Day weekend at the Vern Cox Multipurpose Center. We look forward to seeing y'all out here on the field.